Police Lieutenant Angelo opened the whole or any part of a computer system without a right. Tanong, which offense against the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of computer data and system is committed? A. Data interference. B. Illegal access. C. Illegal interception. Or D. System interference. Meron kang 10 segundo para sagutin ang ating TOS-based question on Introduction to Cybercrime. The best answer is B. Illegal access. B. Illegal access. Kung papansinin nyo, dito, si Angelo, binuksan niya yung computer system nang wala naman siyang karapatan. Again, bawal yan. Kasi merong privacy of communication ang bawat tao at yan ay nakalagay sa ating saligang batas.
Oh, yes.
Ngayon, pinagtibay lalo yan ng ating RA 10,175 or the Cybercrime Prevention Act na kung saan ipinagbabawal sa kahit na sino na wala namang karapatan, wala din namang authority or order galing sa korte na buksan o i-access yung mga computer data and systems ng isang computer. Kasi nga may privacy ang bawat tao para dyan.
Oh, yes.
Again, ang tawag dyan ay illegal access. Illegal access. Gusto mo ba ng pinaka-detalyadong paliwanag tungkol dito? Magkita-kita tayo, buddy, sa pinaka-solid na
GameSmart, your review authority.